Hi, today we are going to cook pumpkin green gram soup, and to do this we need the following ingredients. 1 cup of diced pumpkin, half cup soaked green gram, 1 green chili, 2 tablespoons of coconut milk powder mixed in warm water, 10 small roasted paneer cubes, curry leaves, salt and pepper. So the process is the green gram needs to be soaked overnight, and it has to be well soaked, and then it has to be steamed, or you can put it in a pressure cooker and steam it well. For pumpkin, just remove the skin and then cut them into big pieces, and you have to steam that also. Once it's done, I will show you the process how the soup needs to be done. The ingredients in these are very healthy, as the pumpkin, the orange color has a lot of antioxidant in it, and the green gram has got a lot of protein, and I'm also adding some paneer pieces, so it's a complete meal. So I have cooked the pumpkin with the green chilies. So you can see that it is well cooked, and the lentils are also cooked. Now I'm going to mix these two and use a hand blender to make it as a soup, and then I'll be adding the coconut milk, and I'll be garnishing with the cumin and the mustard, which is roasted. I already have it. You can just roast it with little oil, and I'm also going to add the paneer pieces, and I've also added little bit salt in the pumpkin when I cooked it, but you can add it as per your taste, and you can also add black pepper if needed. To recap, I had cooked the pumpkin and the green gram with green chili. Now I have used the hand blender to make it into a soup. Now I'll be adding some coconut milk, and once I add this, you could cook it if you need it, or you can microwave it for heating it. I'm going to add some more salt. I put some salt when I cooked the pumpkin, but I think there's a little more salt needed. And I'm going to garnish with cumin and mustard. And I'm going to add the curry leaves, and I'll be adding the paneer pieces, which I have already toasted them. And as I said, black pepper is optional. Since I added green chili, I'm not going to add today, but if you want it more spicy, you can add black pepper too. So the soup is ready, and it's a very healthy soup. Soup took me only 10 minutes to cook, and it's a very healthy option. So if you're on a rush and you want something to be done quickly for kids, or even for taking it to work, this is a really good soup, which has all the benefits of having the protein, little bit of fat, and vegetables. So thanks for watching, and I plan to do some more quick recipes, so looking forward to sharing with you all. Thank you.